This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Editing Mix app. First, download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, open it and tap the plus icon to start a new project. This is where your creative journey begins. Next, import all the videos and photos you wish to use. You can select multiple files at once, making the process quick and efficient. Ensure your media is organized for easy access. Now, let's dive into the essential editing tools. You can easily trim and cut your video clips to remove unwanted sections, ensuring your story flows perfectly. To connect different scenes, add transitions, there are dozens of styles available. Don't forget to adjust your audio levels for each clip, aiming for consistent sound throughout your project. A good audio mix makes a huge difference. To make your videos truly stand out, explore the enhancement features. Apply filters and color corrections to give your footage a unique mood or professional polish. You can also add text overlays to convey messages or use stickers for a playful touch. Experiment with speed adjustments, like slowing down a dramatic moment or speeding up a time-lapse, to add dynamic flair to your project. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece. When exporting, choose your preferred resolution, such as 720 pixels or 1080 pixels, and the video format. The app offers direct sharing options to many social media platforms, making it super convenient. You can also save your project directly to your device's gallery or upload it to cloud storage for safekeeping. Congratulations on your finished video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.